Hey guys, so we're gonna be making shepherd's pie if you couldn't tell by the starting of the video when I wasn't speaking. So I'm making my own tomato sauce and I have some tomatoes, peppers, onions and chive, and I blend it all up together and then I'm just gonna let it cook down for a while. I'm gonna add some tomato ketchup for more for coloring. And then that's it. Taste, salt, seasoning to taste, and that's basically it. Over here, I'm going to be doing my mincemeat, my ground meat, and here I'm going to be doing my potatoes. So that's all the chatting for now. Let's get into it. Salt, now that I'm looking at the meat sauce, it doesn't need any ketchup at all for coloring. I'm gonna season it. I have some salt in here, some all-purpose seasoning and some pepper sauce. I'm just gonna put it in there and a little bit of sugar to cut back on the tartness of the tomatoes, and that's basically it for the tomato sauce. The sauce looks done. Let's turn it off and let's add in the potatoes. The mincemeat is about halfway cooked. I'm gonna go ahead and cut up some veggies to add into it. I have some carrots there already chopped up already. I'm gonna add some onions, some peppers. I'm only gonna add the all-purpose seasoning just because the sauce has been salt. I want my meat to be seasoned regardless, so just a little bit of all-purpose seasoning. Mix that right in. Look at how pretty that is. Potatoes are doing good. Now because the sauce pot is hot, I'm gonna just add it in and then show you guys how it's looking. Okay, so I thought I recorded showing you guys how the sauce looked before I put it in. I did not, so I added the sauce, and I was just telling you guys I'm just gonna cover it up for 10 minutes and let the veggies cook. They're not all the way cooked, that is okay because they're gonna go in the oven, and I just want the sauce to thicken up and the minced turkey to continue cooking. So I'll cover it up on it for 10 minutes. I have my cheddar cheese. I'm gonna grate it for the mashed potato. So normally when I make shepherd's pie, I put all the mincemeat at the bottom and all the potatoes at the top. But I think for today, I want to do like a layer of potato and all the mincemeat in the middle, and then a layer of potato on top. And each layer of potato have like a little bit of cheese to it, something like that. Maybe that's too much cheese. But I think I put a layer of potato at the bottom, the mincemeat, a layer at the top, and then the cheese will go at the top. Yeah.
This is tin man.
Mincemeat, just going to spread it out. That looks so good. Let me show you guys. Do you see it? Nice. Ooh, yeah, that looks nice. Right there. And then third layer, mashed potatoes. Mashed potato. I'm leaving that one for the extra, or just in case I need to cover up any spots. My hands are clean. I just wash them. Recording this part. This is it right here, and I have some extra cheese that I just grated, and I'm not gonna add a lot of cheese to it. Probably put too much cheese in the mashed potato, but I'll put the cheese to it. And let's go in the oven at 350 for about 30 minutes, and just until the top is brown and bubbly. There you go. The shepherd's pie should be finished by now. So let's take it out and see how it's cooking. I almost burned my finger off. I'm going to show you guys how it's looking, but it's still bubbly. But as you can see, it looks really good. Don't forget, kindness is free. Be kind to everyone you meet, because you never know the impact that they will have on your life. Hope you guys enjoy this video. See you guys in the next one. Bye.